Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix trackpad not working on your Mac. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check System Settings. Go to the Apple menu at the top left corner. Click on System Settings in the drop-down menu. Scroll down and tap on Trackpad. Turn on Tab to click. Check tracking speed and make sure gestures are enabled. Adjust the tracking speed and test if your cursor moves smoothly. Solution 2. Reset SMC. Click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. Then select Shutdown in the drop-down menu. Now again tap on Shutdown to confirm your action. After that, press and hold Shift plus Control plus Option plus Power button for about 10 seconds. Release the keys and turn on your Mac back on. Once your adapter change color, you have SMC changings. Solution 4. Disable Force Click. Click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. Then select System Settings in the drop-down menu. Then scroll down and click on Trackpad. Here uncheck the Force Click and Haptic Feedback box. Solution 4. Disconnect external mouse. If you have a USB or Bluetooth mouse connected, unplug it. Sometimes Mac OS changes trackpad behavior when another pointing device is connected. And that's it. Your Mac's trackpad should now be back in action. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.